Lake Oroville sitting at 783 feet to the face of the dam. This is the face of the Oroville Dam. Looking east. It's kind of raining, so didn't want to stay out there too long in the rain, but she is definitely up and above, sitting at 783 feet. And they closed that ramp down right there. The main ramp to the face of the dam is open. And there's a little shot of the canyon and Feather River. And old Checkpoint Charlie down there. That checks you in and out while you're going the face of the dam. She's definitely risen up big time. Very beautiful, very exciting for fishing.